Let's be real about something. Do you want to change the way you eat? Hi, I'm Jenny Boyle, nutritionist, author of the upcoming book, The Diet Monster, and yoga teacher of over 10 years. Did you know that lose weight and get in better shape are the two most popular goals people have for the new year? I want to show you how to make changes that actually last this year, instead of being like most people who only end up eating better for a few weeks or maybe a couple months. What I've found over the years is that there are really two types of people. Those who make sustainable changes to their eating, end up seeing the results they want, and then they get on with their lives. Then there are those who get stuck in an endless cycle of dieting, trying different programs, and never really seeing the results they've worked so hard for. If eating healthier is something you want to do, I want to show you what makes the difference between the ones who make changes that stick and the ones who just get stuck. Click below for your free video series that will help you make 2016 your year to make smart changes to the way you eat. It's time to stop committing to diets and start committing to yourself.